Hello everyone, welcome to this session. Today we are going to talk about something very important, how you can become a lawyer in Canada. Now, I know many of you have this dream, but at the same time, you also have a lot of confusion. You might be thinking, where do I start? What is NCA? How long will take it? It is difficult. So, in this video, I am going to break down the entire process step by step in a very simple way. By the end of this video, you will have complete clarity about the NCA pathway. Before we start, let me ask you a fair question. Are you confused between NCA and LLM? Are you watching different video but still not getting clarity? Are you unsure about the exact steps to become a lawyer in Canada? If your answer is yes, you are not alone. Most students face this confusion because the information is scattered. But today I will simply simplify everything for you in one structured flow. So make sure you watch this video till the end because each step is connected. This video is specially for three types of people. First, law student who are currently doing LLB and planning their future. Second, a law graduate who want to move to Canada. Third, practicing lawyer who want to shift their legal career internationally. So whether you are in college or already working, this process apply for you. And the best part is you don't need to start from zero. Your law degree is already valuable. Now let's understand the most important concept, NCA. NCA stands for National Committee on Accreditation. This is the official body in Canada that check the whether your foreign law degree is equivalent to a Canadian law degree. Now think about it like this: Canada needs to ensure that that every lawyer understand Canadian law. So before allowing you to practice, they evaluate your background, and based on your evaluation, they decide what additional subject you need to study. So NCA is not an exam; it is a process of evaluation plus exam. Now, this is very important. Please understand this clearly. Without clearing NCA, you cannot become a licensed lawyer in Canada. So, no matter how good your degree is, no matter how much experience you have, NCA is mandatory. But once you complete NCA, you unlock the next stage, which is the bar process. So think of NCA as a gate. If you clear it, the path option opens. If you don't you cannot move forward. Now let's understand the complete journey in structured way. Step 1, you apply for NCA. Step 2, you get your assessment. Step 3, you clear NCA exam. Step 4, you receive certificate of qualification. Step 5, you apply for bar exam. Step 6, you complete articling or LPP. Step 7, you become a licensed lawyer in Canada. Now, this may look simple, but each step require the right approach, and many students get stuck because they don't understand this structure easily or clearly. Let's go deeper into the first step, NCA assessment. You will apply on the official website, NCA website, and submit your documents, mainly your transcript and degree. Here's an important point: your transcript must be sent directly by your university. Once you submit everything, NCA will take around 6 to 10 weeks to evaluate your profile. After that, they will send you an assessment report, and this report will tell you exactly how many subjects you need to clear, usually between 5 to 10. Now let's talk about the exam, and this is where most students struggle. NCA exam are open book, so many students think this is be easy, but that's not true, because the exam are not about memorization; they are about application. You will be given problem based questions. You have to identify issues, apply law, and write structured answers. And for this, you need to follow IRAC method. So I means issue, what is the legal problem? R means rule, what law applies? A means analysis, how it applies, and C means conclusion, final answer. This is the most important skill for NCA. Now let's look at the subject. Most students are assigned core subject like constitution law, criminal law, administrative law, foundation of Canadian law, professional responsibilities. These subjects are important because they form the base of Canadian legal system. So don't just study them, understand their concept properly. Once you clear all your exam, you reach a major milestone. You receive your certificate of qualification, also known as a COQ. This certificate proves that your legal education is now equivalent to a Canadian law graduate, and this is your entry ticket into the bar licensing process. After NCA, the next stage is the bar process. Now, this depends on a preference. You choose like Ontario, British Columbia, Alberta, etc. For example, in Ontario, you have to clear barrister exam, then solicitor exam, and then complete articling or LPP. Articling is like working under a lawyer to gain practical practice. This stage is very important because here you learn real legal work. Now let's talk about time, because this is a common concern. NCA usually take around 1 to 2 year depending on how fast you clear exam. After that, bar process and articling takes around 1 year. So overall, you can become a lawyer in around 2 to 3 years. Okay, but remember this depends on your preparation and consistency. Now, coming to cost, the NCA application fees is around 450 to 600 Canadian dollars. Each exam cost around 350 to $500. So, if you have multiple subject, your total cost can go up to 3,000 to $6,000. So, planning your attempt properly can save both time and money. Now let's talk about mistakes, because avoiding mistakes is as important as studying. Most students study without a plan. Focus only on reading. Don't practice writing. Ignore fast papers. Take too many subjects at once. These mistakes lead to failure or delay. So be aware of them from the beginning. So what usually works, first understand the exam patterns. Second, practice answer writing regularly. Third, follow IRAC method strictly. 4, solve past year papers. This is what separates successful candidate from others. Always remember, strategy is more important than efforts. Once you become a licensed lawyer, many opportunity open up. You can work in law firm, join corporate companies as in-house counsel, work in compliance role, or specialize in immigration law. Canada has strong demand in this area, so your career options are wide. Now let's clear a very common confusion, NCA versus LLM. NCA is mandatory for licensing, LLM is optional. Doing an LLM does not remove the requirement of NCA. So if your goal is to become a lawyer, focus on NCA first. Let me simplify everything in one line. NCA is not difficult, it is a misunderstood. If you follow the right strategy that consistent and focus on answer writing, you can clear it. If you want to proper guidance, structured preparation, and a clear roadmap, check the description for WhatsApp group and check WhatsApp group and join the group. Make sure you connect with us or follow for more content. And because the right guidance can save your months of confusion and mistakes. So, this was your complete roadmap to become a lawyer in Canada. Now, it's your turn to take action. Start your journey today and make one step closer to your goal. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next video.